In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a floating table. Okay, first of all, we have to set a rectangle. Anyway, you can set the rectangle with any size. Okay, the size are 1000.600 and the width around 850. Okay, then we can move it to the up. We can push it up around 120. We can make it group. So then we can move it to the upper position around 300. I'm sorry, we move our position 300. Okay, and then we can make another support of it. We can use rectangle and the scale, and then we can scale it, and then we can push it to another side, create it. We can move and duplicate it. Okay, and then we can move the another support of it. Okay, so then we can make another color of the support and the top table itself. We use this use the dark color anyway, so then we can make the synthetic color. Okay, I think it's enough. It's about the floating table anyway, with a small support, but it's still stable anyway. And wait for my next video. Thank you.